this session, imagine light as a memory inside the image, something the camera partially forgot. The approach here focuses on reconstructing how illumination would logically travel across surfaces if the scene were perceived by the human eye instead of a sensor. Instead of chasing highlights, the narration guides attention toward directional flow, asking where light originates emotionally, not technically. The teaching method is observational. You listen, pause, and evaluate how shadows describe shape before touching any controls. By reshaping how brightness transitions across forms, the image gains credibility without appearing edited. The practical takeaway is learning to judge whether light feels believable rather than intense, using your perception as the primary reference point.